In this week's Fusion 360 training for beginners, from the maker letters, you will learn how to convert a body to sheet metal. You find sheet metal options under the Sheet Metal tab. Hit the Create tab and select Convert to Sheet Metal. Pick the surface of the body that you want to turn into sheet metal. Different sheet metals, such as aluminium and steel, have unique characteristics. You see sheet metal rules matching the sheet thickness when you have the box Show Matching Rules ticked. Uncheck the box and you will see all sheet metal rules. Autodesk Fusion 360 has some standard sheet metal rules, and you can create your own sheet metal rules. Press OK and pay attention to the change in the icon under bodies. You now have a sheet of metal and can work with bends and flanges. Hit subscribe and see you in the next free Fusion 360 tutorial.